Okay, I done took that little headband piece off. So I'm not a fan of baby hairs. I done clean my little skin or whatever. And I already don't know how to do them. So we just winging out. Let's wing out. I feel like that is entirely too short. How long is a baby hair? Because what I be seeing, them is the grandma hairs. Them is not baby hairs, honey. Y'all be doing it. Okay? Excuse me for being out of frame. But okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of this Murray's. Can you see the Murray's edge wax? So I can kind of see where I want it to go. When I say a little bit, barely can see it because I don't know how to do baby hair. So we gotta practice first before we spray them down. Okay, so okay. It's the simple baby. We messed up. It's the simple baby hair, but it's better than nothing. I think I messed up by cutting baby hairs, y'all, cause mm, it's okay. We just gonna put a little got to eat on the comb, and then maybe if I hold it like this. Okay. Ooh, we got a little swoop whoop. Spray a little more of the got to be. Okay. We need more than that. Let's spray. Now use it. Use it. All right. Now help us, Lord. Help us, gracious Father from Zion. All right, Jesus. Be a fence. Be a car door. Be a brake. Okay. So what do I do with him? What does he do? Does he just go like that? That look retarded. I mean, that looks special. I've been trying not to say that retarded word. Here, let's. Oh, okay. So all the babies here said we don't want to swoop de whoop what you don't want. Okay, come on back now. I need you. Look, we about to turn him back. Okay, and yeah, I missed. We can't do that. That's against the law of the wiggetry. Okay, so let's calm him down again. We got him waxed and sprayed. Okay, so baby hairs are not my friend. It's fine.